Yo, YouTube. This tutorial today is going to be showing you how to get free Xbox Game Pass. You can get a 12-month Xbox Ultimate Game Pass subscription, and it is completely free using a game code, guys. So this is a code you can redeem, and you redeem it in the Microsoft Store, and it's going to get you 12 months of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate for free. As you can see, 1 month costs around 15 to 20 US dollars. So as you can imagine, 12 months is probably about $100+. And this literally takes a few minutes, guys. So before I show you this method, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm always searching for new money saving tutorials. And yeah, basically, guys, Ultimate costs, like I said, around 20 US dollars a month. So yeah, it's going to get you tons of playable games and more. So you need to use your mobile phone internet browser to obtain your Xbox Game Pass code. Go to Crash Coupons, so type it exactly how I've typed it, or how I'm typing it, I should say, www.crashcoupons.com. There you go, Crash Coupons, so spell it like this. Very important you type it correctly. Now, as you can see, they specialize in game codes. They have pretty much every game under the sun, some good, some bad. But yeah, they're all completely free. So use the search bar and search for Xbox Game Pass, and it should pop up here, Xbox. So just find this page, guys. Like I said, do use the search bar and scroll down, and what you're looking for is this one here, 12 months free Xbox Game Pass. Now, it doesn't specify Ultimate, but I was surprised it actually did give me Ultimate, which is awesome. I was expecting the basic one. These are limited codes, guys. So like I said, I've already done this. I did this morning, so I won't do it again. I don't want to waste one of these limited codes, and I believe it is 1 code per person. So yeah, as you can see, when you reach this page, your Xbox Game Pass Ultimate code is hidden and blurred. You need to basically reveal your code, guys. As you can see, it says your code will be revealed after verification. So you need to complete a quick verification. I've already done it, so I won't do it again. But you've got to click on Get Full Code there, and that is going to bring you to a new screen with a set of instructions, guys. You need to complete a couple of free tasks. It takes about 5 minutes. Just make sure you follow all of the steps that you're going to see, and that is going to unlock your code, guys. So once you fully complete the steps, your code will be revealed and you can redeem it in the Microsoft Store. And that is how to get free Xbox Game Pass in 2026 using a Xbox code. So that is it, guys. Go to Crash Coupons and navigate your way to this Xbox Game Pass code, and make sure you unlock it. So like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.